Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is May the 5th, 2013. Yep, just that crazy moon guy again, trying to show you something that you should see, but don't, usually. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture of the moon and reverse it and put it over the Earth, like I always do, like in all my videos. And right now, I just want to point out the weather. Satellite's still down. What a piece of shit that satellite is, because this satellite is always down, all the time. I mean, it just happens to fall right on the Marianas Trench area, deepest place on Earth, right? Why would that be the deepest place on Earth? I wonder. Let's just see. It's round. Oh yeah, subduction and plate tectonics created that, right? Right. All of this. It's all plate tectonics and all subduction. Did that whole thing. Made it round. Made this round. Yep, sure did. I'm just being a smartass. I don't know. I'm in one of the moods, I guess. But anyways, I've been saying for the longest time that they're hiding the weather there. The satellite is not down. Well, they got it shut off or whatever. They're not showing you the satellite weather from there in this area. And the reason for it is they're hiding the weather there, because this would show something that they don't want you to see pretty clearly too. It shows you pretty clear. Okay, so I was working on this last night. Actually, the weather was a little different, not much, but a little bit. And here it is, the South Pole of the moon right here, reversed over this area. Let's just turn the weather off here. Take a look at this over the Earth first. Okay, here's your reference point here if you want to try this yourself. In the center of the South Pole of the moon right here, this is the South Pole, I guess, right here, this part right here. Right above that, right here, there's this shape you get right here. And that, I believe, that if you line that up with this shape that you see right here, you'll be right on target right there. I mean, because that right there, though they do a very good job of hiding it in the land, hiding it with all this they soften up the edges, they put these lines in there, it completely throw your eye off. I mean, it's totally changed from the way Google Earth used to be, and it was worse before, but they've always tried to hide it. Like these craters are here, or there's probably mountains right there actually, and they're a little bit difficult to see, but if you zoom in, you'll be able to see how they're doing it. How they hide it. I mean, you'll be able to see that. Look, I put it this way. If you want to know the truth about the Earth and the Moon, all you have to do is look. It's a challenging. It's like a video game to me. I mean, it's challenging. It's like a challenging puzzle, like a jigsaw puzzle or whatever you want to call it. It's pretty challenging because they don't give you everything, like the part that's missing in the weather. Okay, that's not there to work with. Okay, but I decided I would work with it anyway. What was there? Okay, so this is with the weather on, live weather right now on the Earth. Okay, here's where the weather gets cut off right there. You see the strip right there, right? Well, let's just fade it in and out just a couple times so you can see what I'm showing here. Okay, that could be coincidence, right? But then you come over, I lined this up, and then I come over here where Schrodinger is, and I mean, come on, people. You think that's not Schrodinger? You think that this right here is not, the rest of it would not be there? It's absolutely there in the weather. And this band right here that stops right here would continue to go all the way to this weather here. It would continue over in a thick band. It would come all the way across, and this up here would be here, and it would show Schrodinger beautifully right there today, this minute. It would show all of Schrodinger in the weather right there, which is why they hide half of it. Because if you could see the whole thing, you would say, damn, that looks like Schrodinger. And people would put it together in a minute, okay? Just like I've put it together. I mean, really, they would put it together just like that, because I've seen Schrodinger show itself all over the Earth. This is not the only time. This is not even the best, not even close to the best that it would be. I mean, if they had the rest of the weather there, I've seen way better. Schrodinger way better than this. Down here. Over here, I've seen it better than that. For sure. Over here in South America, I've seen it way better than that. I've seen it better in Africa. Really good in Africa, right here. Okay, and down here like I said, I made a video about it right here, down here at the south, down near Antarctica, right here. it hits right here, and they hide the weather there too. I mean, look at they hide the ocean floor there actually. Not hiding the weather, but they're hiding the ocean floor. You can't see any of the markings in the ocean floor in this point where it would have hit. I know it sounds crazy, goes against all science, right? I'm just this one guy out here going against all the scientists because somebody needs to do it. I don't know. I just got this thing about the truth, and maybe it stems back to my childhood being lied to or something. I don't know, Santa Claus or something. I don't know. Could be. I don't trust anybody. I do not trust anybody until you prove yourself. You know, it's just the way I am. I don't even trust my mom. So anyway, probably where it all started, huh? Anyways, that's what they're doing there. I mean, you can come on. You can see that would, except for right here where this part comes down, it would this band of weather would keep going around. This up here would keep coming around, and this center would be filled in, and it would look just like Schrodinger. I don't know what else to say. It just does. Take the weather off, and you look at Japan and all the land you can see. There, look at the outline. Just pull your head back from your monitor. I was about to say something else, but I didn't. I held back. And some people need to pull their heads out of their asses. Some people have an open mind to just say that it's, you at least think it's possible. But some people just they're just so close-minded. They just, they're stuck with it in their ways. I understand. I understand that. I'm stuck in this way too because I've seen so much doing this for a long time. I'm telling you, it's like a video game. You want a challenging puzzle? This is it right here. Why not? What better than the Earth itself and the Moon? What better puzzle would there be than that? I mean, it challenges me every day. I always find something new, something that I mean, it's not like I haven't put overlays here before and seen many patterns that fit perfectly before. I mean, I've seen bunches of them, all kinds of them. Here, let's just show one real quick. Let me show you this Mare Oriental one. Oh, where's it at? I got it up here. I think I already put it down. Up here somewhere. One of these ones. I'll get it in a second. I know it's here. Maybe not this. Maybe. Oh, come on. Hold on a second. Got to do this little thing. Alright. Okay. It's up here. Don't worry. I get it. One of these ones. I know I should start titling my stuff, but I don't. I know where it is usually. If it's important, I'll title it. It's probably titled up here already. So there's one. This is just one I lined up. It's just through the. This is just a quick one I threw up there. Look how that goes around the Tibetan Plateau and all that. China. That fits there pretty good, I think. Here's another one. Right up. Oh, here we go. Asia 33. This one. Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. This one, for instance. If you use this image of Mare Oriental Basin, you get it off the internet, and you flip it over, reverse it, flip it over horizontally, whatever, and save it, and overlay this like this. See this shape? That looks like India to me, right? If you put that over India, just like I did, just like that. Look at that, right over India, just like that, right? India's got a straight edge along one side right here. Look, this is just consider that like a straight edge. It comes all the way up with a little notch in it, right? Okay, excuse me. And line that straight edge up with the back side of India there, or with the west coast of India. And this side right here comes up the east coast of India. Just line that up. Go ahead and just only line that up right there. Don't even worry about the rest of the picture. Just line that part of the picture up with India. Then what you get, once you do that, if you turn the borders on afterwards, turn the borders on, you get this all the way, fitting all the way around over here. I mean, it just fits. The borders fit perfectly, no doubt, no question. That fits right there, with the center being right there at the 33rd degree line, latitude line right there. 33rd degree right there. That's, you know what that number means. Okay, so turn the borders off, and then you just check it over the land, over here by Saudi Arabia. All right, right here. Just see how this comes up right here, and it's got this square corner. Okay, the land has the same thing. Look at this right here. It comes up to the square corner, and then comes up like this. See that? Okay. That's only lining up this. Just line that up right there. I only line that up, and then everything else falls into place that way. Okay, look at the arrow C. Right here. Right where that crater is, pretty close to where that crater is. That goes right there. Okay, you can even see it. If you look close enough, you'll see it. I know that Caspian is not in the picture, different impact, or they're just not showing it in the picture, something. But you can go through the whole picture and see that you can see it. I mean, there's no question that's India. No question. That fits over India. There's no way you get the same shape. Claw print of mistakes. Right there. And then look at this bay right here. This whole bay right there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's pretty good. It's pretty damn good. So, just work with it for a while. You want to see things that you've never seen before. You want to see how things are created on this planet Earth. I still haven't figured it all out yet myself. That's how challenging it is. I've been doing this for quite a while, and I haven't figured it all out. Because there's a lot to figure out. The continents are moved around by these impacts. Plate tectonics, believe that if you want. It's up to you. I mean, look, I'm sure plates are moving. Okay, I'm sure that's true. But what pushes the mountains over the top of mountains and things like that is not plate tectonics, okay? It's from impacts by our moon, or actually us impacting the moon. The moon's bigger than the Earth. Okay, just look at Mars and look at Venus too. You'll see. Everything's hit the moon. Like the moon is like a central thing, just like the sun almost. Okay, the sun, like they say, like Buddha says, three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. Those three things are the most important in the world. The sun, without the sun, we wouldn't exist. Without the moon, we would not exist. Without the truth, well, I mean, why even exist without the truth, right? If you're going to just live a lie. So those three things cannot be long hidden. So there's something to that. I know there's something to it. So check it out yourself. Everybody have a good day.